So it's a different classroom this morning, but it's still science. We've got altogether 6 science classrooms. Some of them are labs, some of them are actual classrooms. So pretty good. Pretty good technology as well. Hello. Hello. Right. So I'm gonna introduce you to Katie's artwork. She's done all this during 1 week here in Chovan. What is it, lads? What is it? Chovan school. Chovan. It's Hangzhou Chovan Century City Experimental School or something like that.
There it is.
What? Yeah, well, exactly. What? But let's see what Katie's done during the week. Okay. Yeah. That's Katie.
So this was my first proper lesson. So I had to do an introduction where they all made name tags. So that was their first kind of lesson. But then this was the actual first lesson planned lesson.
All right.
Little geometric shapes. Like, can you tell? Like this class was the very first one I did this activity with.
Oh,
and as you can see,
very good.
They did huge shapes, and then by the very last class, I was like, make your shapes really small, and then they just made them diddy. Look how small these are, but they still work. They still look alright.
Very good.
Yeah, it's done in knackering now. I'm knackered.
Amazing. And what do you think, Peg? You are an actual star here in this school now. Yeah. But they like ripping. They like ripping the pig. Like pulling his tail, pulling his ears, punching his face. But the pig is doing well. Don't you, Pig? Yeah. Very good.
Peeling off.
Yeah. And we are starving now, so we are going to have some lunch.
Pig. Pig, listen to me. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Pig. Now, explain to me how you can make ice from boiling water.
What?
Do you know how?
Ice from boiling water? What? Is that even possible? Ah!
I think the pigs sound like Jar Jar Binks.
Jar Jar Pig?
No, you know who you sound like? You sound like Jimmy
Carter.
Fallon.
Jimmy Farter.
Ah.
When he does that sketch. Ew.
Yeah!
Ew.
We like ew?
Ew.
Ah! So, are you gonna explain? Are you gonna explain?
You're meant to explain, not me. I wasn't asking you because I know the answer.
What?
And if anyone should
This
know the
teacher is... Ah! Ah! The pig is out! No! No! No!
answer.
No! Piggy,
Pig is
come
bacon.
back! Pig needs washing.
Stinks. It's had like a million children's hands mauling all over it all week. I'm not even under it! Thank you.
We got a new umbrella. Bright colors. As Katie would say.
Rainbow!
Rainbow colors.
The rain's going down my neck.
Hold on. 1 second. I'm multitasking, holding an umbrella, recording a video and eating an ice cream.
And waiting to cross the road. Whoa! It's windy!
Windish.
Windy, yeah, windy.
Oh, singing in the rain. Yes. There is some traffic here. They should go great. Oh no! No, it's gonna destroy my umbrella!
Looking very nice, Lars. Thanks, Katie, for cooking. Did it?